Hi there, welcome to another new session in Deepak's kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make our South India's one of the most famous and delicious dish, that's fish curry. A simple yet very delicious fish curry. This is an authentic Karnataka, that too a Mangalorean dish, so it just goes very well with the white rice. So before that, if you haven't already yet subscribed to my channel, then please do it, and don't forget to tap that bell icon so that you will get regular updates of our videos. So without much talking, let's see how this is done. And to make awesome fish curry, I have got some pomfret fishes which have been cut in cubes for curry so that it will be easy to cook. So what I have done is washed it thoroughly, and I've added some salt and let it rest for a while. And to make this curry, this is the most important step. What we need is, I have taken nearly 10 to 15 red chillies and 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds and a half a teaspoon of shahi jeera or jeera, that's cumin, and a half an inch of cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 cloves, and nearly a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And look, I have got this all whole garam masalas and some dry chilies. I'm adding this into the pan and on a low heat, try to dry roast it. You make sure you don't burn this. You just wanna roast this, that's it. It will take anywhere between 1 minute or so. And now look, the whole spices are nicely roasted. So we'll cut off the flame and we'll take this in this plate. And we'll allow this mixture to cool. And now for the masala, I have taken nearly 1 cup of grated coconut, that's fresh grated coconut, and nearly 1 medium sized onion which is roughly cut, and 8 pods of garlic and required amount of ginger, anywhere between 2 inches of ginger. And we'll add everything into this blender, and the onions, and also this garlic and this ginger, and also we'll add this dry roasted spices into the mixer. We'll add some water and make a fine paste out of it. And here the masala is now ready. Look how lush red it is, and this is the fish curry masala. It's red, and the most important ingredient in this recipe is a tamarind. I have taken a small bowl of this, and we'll add some hot water and let it, and we'll wait to get it pulped. Now in the same kadai or a pan, we'll add nearly 4 tablespoons of oil. If you have coconut oil, it's the best. I'm using a regular refined oil. Oil seems to be heated well. We'll add a few pinches of cumin seeds. As soon as this crackle, we'll add in this masala paste which we have made. Give it a stir and let the oil completely coat the masala. And I have added some water in the jar to scrape off all the leftover masala, and I'm going to add this water into this mixture. And we'll add 1 cup of water. You can adjust according to your taste. At this time we'll add the sea salt, add according to your taste. And I will add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and give this a stir. It requires some more of water, so that's why I'm adding another half a glass of water. You can adjust the consistency according to your taste and give it a nice stir. And let this boil for about 2 minutes. And let's close the lid and let it cook for about 2 minutes until the raw smell goes away. And now after 2 minutes, we'll open the lid. Wow. And look, the gravy is boiling nice and well. At this time we'll add the tamarind juice. You add a little bit of more sourness to this. That's the USP of this dish. When you taste the curry, it should be somewhat sour. Then only the curry will taste so good. At this time, check that seasoning. This requires some more of a salt, so I'm adding a few pinches of salt. Give this a mix. And allow this to boil for another 1 minute, but without closing the lid. And now the curry is boiling very good. At this time we'll add the fish pieces. Make sure it don't stick to each other. Just mix this once. Don't use the ladle so that all the meat is coated. And let's close the lid and let it cook for about 3 minutes, and you can taste the awesome fish curry. And now after about 3 minutes, we'll open the lid. Wow. Just look at this oil floating on the top. This indicates that the fish has been nicely cooked and the dish is nicely ready. So here you go. The South Indian style fish curry is ready to taste. This is one of my favorite curries. Look at this fish, how beautiful it has been cooked. By the touch of the spoon, the fish will just crack open. Look how tender it is. Just awesome. Mix it and voila. It's that good. What actually I do is I prepare the curry the last night and let it rest for the overnight, and the next morning I will eat this curry. That's when the curry tastes so good. And you believe me, if you're gonna try this in my method, and it's going to be one of your best curries ever. I hope you guys like this video. If so, then please do share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter also. So we'll be back with another recipe. Till then, this is your host and host Deepak signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.